Hello everyone, we have prepared another short video for you in which you will see how to open a file in Photoshop. So, as you saw in the previous video, you need to click on the File tab and then Open, then a window to your computer opens. In that window, click the image that you want to open in Photoshop, and then click Open at the bottom of the window. The image will appear then on your screen. As you have also read in a previous video, another option is just to drag the file into Photoshop. Click on the file that you want with the left mouse button, and while holding it, drag the file to your Photoshop desktop. You can also drag the file to a new tab by placing the cursor next to the opened file and clicking, and then you can drag it to an already unplaced file. Finally, click on the heel icon on the options bar to accept the file. You can now modify the entered file. That is all we have prepared for you for this video.